Good day, Divergence traders. Oh yeah, another lovely day in the neighborhood. The neighborhood. Look at this. What's that? Chicken scratch. Bok, 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 bok. Chickens. That's chickens. They're really fooling around today. Oh yeah. Is this NASDAQ? Have a heart attack, NASDAQ. Holy shit. Okay, let me show you this shit here. Oh, it's right here. Right here, just like this. Right here. And the trade was... Oh, I gotta get the other line first. Right here to here. Wherever you want to draw it to. Yeah, right there to right... Oh, right there to the little hill. To the little foothill right there. Okay. We had divergence. Hidden divergence. You would have got in like way, well, probably right here. So you would have got short right there. The stop was like 10, 11 points, and it went down 40 points. And then down here, what did we have? Well, we had a low and a lower low. And right here, this sucker is just screaming at you. When you see a big, valley, and it's the, and then on the other side, the right side, you see a tiny little doodah like this, it's screaming at you to buy it. That's what it's doing. Screaming. Let me just make that bigger so you can see it. And right here, you would have got in right here, somewhere in here. Came back and freaked you out here. Came back and freaked you out here. Oh, yeah. So if you would have got long, stop at the swing low, 22 points. Did it go up 22 points? Oh, yeah. It went up 35 there. And it went up 75 to the top. And then there's number 1 sell fake, number 2 sell fake, number 3 sell fake, and now number 4 sell fake. And we just had the bond, the bullshit, worthless paper bond, whatever, news just here right now. So if you thought, okay, well, look, they've already faked people out 1, 2, 3 times, right? This one looks like the most promising one, right? No, wrong. See that fucking shit? Yeah, would have got short here. Stop would have been 29 points, or pips, or ticks, or whatever. And it only went 17 in your favor. And they rammed it back up here. Yeah. So if there's any of you who forgot there was this bond, this new news that happens at, I think, lunchtime or 1 o'clock. I think it's 1 o'clock. This is what happens. They fuck ya. They fook ya right up your nose. They stick a rubber hose right up your nose. That's what they do. So anyway, yeah, that's it for that. Let's move on. The 500. Oh, the S and the P. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful trend there? It's just trending for miles and miles. Yeah. This is why I've told you in other videos. I said, trade oil. It's trending. And it was. I fucking made 200%. And then I got chopped up, man, real bad after that, because now they've turned the oil into this shit right here. Okay, we'll look at it. I don't know. I think it trended a little bit today. But anyway, look at this, man. Look at this. Am I going to draw anything on it? Oh, I guess I have to. Right here's the double bottom. You see it? Yeah, it's not perfect, but Look at that. Same thing. Big, big, deep valley right here. And then a little tiny crick. Little crick right here. And it was screaming at you to buy it right on the opening of that one. And that was on... Oh, that was 8:30. There's some news. There was probably some news there. I don't freaking know. Oh, and look what we have up here. Triple top. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I guess there is a trade there too, but no, not really. I don't like to go no more than 2 negatives and 1 positive, or 2 positives and 1 negative. Okay? So I wouldn't do that trade. I wouldn't do it. Look at this mess. Look at that. He rammed it right up your nose. That hose went up your nose. Fuck. Unreal. Okay, what did the Dow do? Oh my goodness, look at the... See? They didn't do it on this one today. You see how they do it? They take turns, ladies and gentlemen. You know what I think? You can laugh at this or not, I don't know. But I think... Oh, shit. Whatever markets you like to trade. So say you like to trade... Well, first of all, I'd stay away from the NASDAQ and the S&P. But anyway, whatever markets you like to trade, I think you need to have like about 10 fucking screens. You know, you have this pole, and you have one monitor here and another one on top of it on the pole, and then you're always looking up, like you're looking up at the birds flying in the sky. Because your screens are like, I don't know, 2 feet above your head or some shit. But anyway, and you know what else you probably need? A team. Yeah, just like the central banks. Have you ever seen a trade room for the central banks? I saw one in Switzerland. Just a picture of it. It looked like it was like a big warehouse. Like they must have had... Oh, that's right. They said it. There's 10,000. No, not 10,000. No, there was like 2,000 or 3,000 traders in this big warehouse kind of looking space, and they're all sitting there in front of their computers. Hundreds and hundreds, or maybe it was 600 people, but it was a lot of people. It was one big motherfucking trade room the central bank has. I don't know if they're all coordinating with each other, or they're just all individually trading the market for the Swiss people, because it was in Switzerland. That's what you need. You need like a team of traders, and you're all going to trade the same thing. And you each got to have 2 or 3 screens, you know, like maybe 5 people or something, so everybody's watching someone, and oh, here's a trade, here's a buy, oh, here's a sell. So everybody can just flick to that screen and go, okay. Yeah, because it's pretty fucking impossible to do this by yourself, I think. I think I'm finally realizing this. I've only been trading 22 years. Actually, I've realized it before too, but I've tried to get like friends that I knew, you know, traders. I didn't know them like from when I was a kid. They're not my like, you know, my buddy from, you know, when I was a kid. They're traders. You know what's really funny? Every person I ever traded with never worked out. You know why? Because I'm saying, oh, here's a buy. You know what he's saying? He's saying, oh, I see a sell. So how do you trade with someone if one's saying buy and one's saying fucking sell? You see what I'm saying? Oh my God. What a crazy world of trading. Anyway, this won't stop me. I'll keep doing the videos each day. I'll show you the setups. But I strongly do advise, don't trade the NASDAQ or the S&P or even the fucking Dow. All those indices. I don't know what's left to trade, you know. You can trade the pound, the euro. I don't know. Gold. Gold really boogies and moves. Maybe you can trade gold, you know? But silver, not good. You know what I mean? Silver's not very good. Gold is crazy. I don't know. You could try the DAX, but I'd stay away from that too, because that's just another indice, except it's from Germany, right? Anyway, I'm sorry to go on here, but these markets are just getting worse and worse and worse. And I think I know why, but I can't talk about that on this stream. They'll kick me off the fucking screen. Or off the stream, I mean. Oh, yeah. See all this beautiful divergence on the Dow? Low and lower low. Just like that. Also, to find divergence, sometimes you need to squish them and make the candles smaller and closer together, like at this setting. Actually, this setting of this chart is what I used to always use in my Pipsnager, and I can't explain why, because it's part of this system, divergence system. I've combined all my good stuff from my Forex Pipsnager system and from my divergence, everything together, which makes it all unique. Oh yeah. Okay, so anyway, I'll shut up now. Sorry about that. I'll just do the setups now. See, we got long right there. This is the third night we've had this put in a low, lower low, and it was somewhere in here the last, if you go look the last few days, not on the Dow, but on like the NASDAQ, you'll see it. They've done this like 3 fucking nights in a row. They put a low and a lower low somewhere in the UK or halfway into this dead gap time between 7 and 8 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, that's what they're doing. That's what they're doing. And you can make lots of pips. Okay, hold on. What was this? I already forgot. Swing low. This is Dow. No, yeah? Yeah, US 30. It's a Dow. Sorry, I'm a little mixed up. Okay, went up 100 and whatever, 10 pips or whatever. And this was the entry. And there's no trade to buy it here. See how it came down and up again? There's no trade for that. Okay. Then we have this one. High and higher high. And it's just sticking right out at you as plain as day. And it told you to sell right in there. Okay? So if you would have got short there, stop at the swing high, 54 pip stop or point stop. This is the Dow point stops. 100 went down 160, man. And along the way, what did we have here? Oh, we had some of those little doodahs. Okay, right here, higher close, sell it, boom, down it goes. Look how quick that went down. Look at that, look at that. With hardly any drawdown, 71 points it went down. Now the second little doodah, no, first, we got to put this on there. Here we go. That is a hook down, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so you would have got short right there, and down it went. And then we have this one, and there's one more. One more here. Okay. Remember I told you it needs to be close. You can't do it off this one. It's too far from the 5. Remember I told you that? But look, there's 2 of them now, and this one's close to the 5. So as soon as this candle opened, you sell it, and down it goes, and it worked out just beautifully. Look at this. 0 drawdown. Look at that. 84 points. 0, man. 0 drawdown. Look how awesome that is. See that? Look at that. There's like a little nipple on the top of that candle. It's like, no drawdown. No drawdown. And what about down here? Do we have a buy? Let's see. Got to line everything up. Oh, yeah. right there. It's right there. That's it. That's it. So we draw it from this wick right down here to the 50. That blue line is the 50. This neon green line is the 38,600 on Zidao. Zidao, man, Zidao. Okay, right here, low. And right there. Okay, that is divergence, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. I had to take a breather. I'm so sorry. I have breathing problems. Okay, so you would have entered right there. Swing low is your stop right there. Is 30 ticks, 30 points. Went up 47 to there. And then we had a, it closed right on there. Yeah. Oh, jeez. What do you call it? A hookup. This is a hookup right here. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. And that's the last trade for the Dow. The Dow is a beautiful thing today, but it's not always a beautiful thing, is it? See, I have to look at all these fucking charts, man, all over town, up in the sky, if you really want to, you know. So this is why I'm saying, you know, most humans, they cannot, how would you call it? Their brain is not wired and designed, most humans, okay, to be multitasking. Meaning trying to look at 6 fucking screens and find a setup and gather it all in your head, and, you know, and then you do one trade and then you try and do another trade. That's what I'm saying. That's why you need a team of traders. And the whole team needs to be trading the same exact strategy. Okay? Whether it's divergence, whether it's, I don't know, MACD, stochastic, whatever. You see what I'm saying? That's what you need. If you know, it's something, you know, you got to think about. Here I am telling you things now that most people can't do it. They trade by themselves. But I'm telling you, to succeed heavily, you need a team. You need a fucking team, man. You need an office, like in an office building, okay? And you don't need a lot of space, maybe, I don't know, 30 by 30 feet, and have about 5 to 7 or 10 traders in there. All of you looking at different charts, trading the same strategy, whatever it is. That is the only way I think you can succeed at doing this. Because they're playing games every day. There's one instrument, they're chopping it up and down, right? Like this, okay? And then, look at that shit. Look at that. Look at that. Chicken scratch, okay? And then there's this. And then there's you know, the Dow, all beautiful trades, all winners. Nice little trends up, nice trend down, nice trend up again. You see what I'm saying, ladies and gents? And look, here's another trade over here. High and higher high, right here. Hold on. Yeah, right there. High. Oh yeah, right there. There's a little blue doodah there. See it? Yeah, right there. Sell it right here. Down it goes. Okay, move on, Jason. Shut the fuck up. You never get this video done. Okay. Yeah, I'm talking to myself too, because I need to shut up and do this video. So we have a low and a lower low. Let me just squish it and see what it looks like. Sorry about that. Okay. What is this we're looking at? Pound, 5 minute. Okay, so we had a divergence right here in the UK. We had another one right there. Hold on. I drew it to the wrong place. It's right there. Still works, see? Okay. There we go. would have sold it right there. Right in there, you would have sold it. Or actually, yeah, it's after that. After you draw it in here, so you would have, yes, you would have sold it right here. Okay? And this one here, you would have sold right up there. Okay? And it is divergent. Okay, it's right here. Right there and right there, right there and right there, and down it goes. And yeah, we had a fake out too. Look at the freaking fake out right here. Low and lower low. Okay. Yeah, just like that. That's it. And you would have bought in here. Actually, kind of scary to buy there. Let me show you why. Kind of scary. Oh. Scary to buy in here from this low and lower low divergence setup. Kind of scary to buy here because the 126 number was right there. So you can see it was stalling. You know, I don't know. People use the whole numbers or not. I do. See how it stopped you from getting in this trade? Well, it would have stopped me anyway. Okay. So anyway, there was no buy here. It was a buy fake. Okay? Even though it shows it. And then there was this one. It went down 20 pips and your stop was 10. So you got 2 to 1. Then we have a low and a lower low. But see this valley here, it needs to be less than on the right side. See? So there was no trade to buy it here. And there was a trade here, I guess. Yeah. Right there. Yeah, right there. That's it. Right there like that. It does not need to go to the next valley, okay? According to my rules about divergence anyway. I don't know what other people, they'd think, oh my God, you're doing that wrong. You need to draw it over here. You know, and it's not divergent over there. But it's divergent, okay? Drawing it to here, and look, doesn't matter what that's all about. If you come, you know, back to the chart and you wait for the setup, because when you draw it here, the price is going to be down here. So you need the candle to close up above the 5 and the 7, and you need a nice, you know, and you need the 5 above the 7. So it was a valid entry right here to go long, and your stop was 15 pips at the swing low, and it went up 25 pips. So there you have it. All right, let's look at the euro now. Oh yeah, euro looks very similar. There's a trade up here. Lots of trades. Oh shit, lots of nice trades. I guess because of the news today, whatever happened there, the unemployment claims shit or whatever. Like that's at 8:30. That was today, right? Right here. Or right here. We're looking at the Euro USD. And yeah, the news was right here. These 3 candles down. Oh, maybe there's a fair value gap in there. But anyway, there was a trade here. And right here to right here. So if you wanted to trade the news, get in 5 minutes after it happened, you could have, and you could have made some pips. Okay, there's no divergence here though, because this valley is deeper than this one. Okay. Yeah. There's no trade here either. Okay, so that's the 2 trades, ladies and gentlemen. I'll just put the arrows on. There's one there. Okay. That's at 2 hidden divergence trades. Would have got in here. Stop was very little, like 5 pips. Went down 18 pips. Here's another one right here with the news. The stop would be at the swing high, 8.4 pips. And it went down 12 pips. So you would have got your 1-to-1, but not very many pips. Okay. See if the pound yen moved today. Oh, it's looking ugly. It's looking ugly. There's no divergence right here to buy it, but there is right here, from a low and a lower low. I did tell you that you always look on the chart first, up here, and then you draw the line, then you come down and you look for it here. If you see it here, then you draw the lines, and you look, and you wait, okay? Because the price would be down here, and the setup wouldn't be there yet. You needed to wait for these 2 candles to, you know, take off up, and then you get in on a pullback, or you get in right here, and up it goes. That's it. That's how you look for the setups. It's all in the course. 48 pips it went up. That's the pound yen. What about the euro yen? Oh, just long trend up with the euro yen, huh? Have to put on the 15-minute. That's looking crazy mad to me. I'm not drawing nothing on there. It's just a long trend up. There's no divergence. Well, maybe there is, but I'm too tired to look for it. And then there's gold. Oh. We're looking at the wrong thing. Did I change that, or what the hell happened there? Yeah, I have the wrong thing on there. Anyway, just thought I would show you. This is what Forex Pipsnagger looked like. You know. Look at the 3 trades. Oh, there was 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. All of them winners. See right here? The line's red, and sell it here. Stop right up here, 26 pips. And it went down like 30, 34. Here's another trade, like right in here somewhere. Right in here you get in. Stop would be 40 pips. Did it go up 40? Oh, yeah, it went up 50. And then there was this one. We all know that this one hit the target. Okay, 53. Pip stop. And how much did it go down? 128. And then we had another one here, a little bit too fast. It ran up there. That was with the news or something. But you would have got in here, and it wouldn't have hit the target. 84 points. Stop way down there. But it did go up 54 points, right? So that was good. Pretty cool looking, eh? My good old Forex Pipsnagger from 2009. I fully developed that myself. I saw something with the moving averages that gave me the idea to create this. If you want a copy of it, it's all over. I'm sure it's all over the internet for free, or you can buy it one of those sites for, I don't know, $5 or some stupid shit. Or if you'd like a copy, send me an email. My email's below this video. I'll give you a free copy, no problem. I don't really care about selling it. I'll give you a free copy if you're interested. You just have to write me an email, write Forex Pipsnagger, and I'll send it to you. Okay? All right. So, do I have another one? Oh, here it is. Okay. Here is the sucker. What's this we're looking at now? We're looking at gold. Gold. XAU, right? Gold? Yeah, gold versus the dollar. There was no divergence here, but there was up here. Let me show you. Right here to right here. Okay? And right here. So we woulda, coulda, shoulda, but we didn't. Sell it from up here. Y'all remember I told you always got to sell from high and buy from low? So this is where you sell up here with a 27-point stop, and it went down 156 points. Wow, that was good. Gold's just on fire, baby. Woo! It's on fire. Okay, what do we have down here? It's divergence, right? Yeah, I think so. Oh, this is so tired. Right here. Okay, let's make it bigger now. So yeah, so you would have sold from up here and you buy from down here. That's what you do. Okay, that's what you do. And that's what it did. The price went up. So if you would have bought here, your stop would be at the swing low, 34 points, and it went up 100. Oh, we have one more. Just like that. Oh, no. You can't do that to me. You can't do that to me. It's got to be like this. And we draw it from here up into there somewhere. Oh, I got a couple other trades I'm going to show you. You would have got long right here. And it went up 49 pips. Oh, no, I'm going to get the hiccups now. And the stop was at the swing low, 26 pips. Okay? Let's undo this like this. And we got a higher close right there, so you had to wait 15 minutes to get this trade. 15 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. 5, 10, 15 minutes. Then you got the sell, and down it went. And here's another one. Higher close, sell it. Down it goes. Here's another one right here. You see, if you always try and buy a dip and sell the rip, or sell a rally from the upper valley. I'm trying to rhyme things now. Sorry. Okay, hold on. What do I need here? One of these. Okay, let me explain. So, you see right here, let me move this out of the freaking way. You see how there is like where it opened, it just went down. See right here, where it opened, it just went down. See right here, where it opened, it just went down. So if you always try and buy and sell these dips that I show you every day with, with the thumbs down or the thumb up, right? It's the best place you can do this because there's almost zero drawdown, and you won't jump. You don't like, how do I explain this? You don't sell here, okay? After the sucker just came down, all these candles, you don't sell at the bottom. You don't sell here. You don't sell here, or here, or here, or here. You need to wait for a retracement. Even though you're getting in at a lower price down here than if you sold up there, okay? It doesn't matter. You want to get into a trade with the least amount of drawdown, okay? So how do you accomplish that? You wait for these higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. You see what I'm saying? Higher close right here, sell it, down it goes. That's how you avoid drawdown and fear of loss and the rest of it. Anxiety and whatever. You can never, in an uptrend, never sell a rally that just rallied up. Wait for a pullback. Never sell it here. Never sell it here, or buy it here, or buy it here, because it's going to pull back on you. That's what these candles do, or whatever it is that does this. Every time a candle closes, say a candle closes lower, it bounces back up. When a candle rallies up, it usually retraces back down. Study the price movement. You'll see what I'm saying. That's how I discovered these higher close, sell it down, it goes. Lower close, buy it up, it goes. That's how I discovered that. By looking at the price movement for forever, all my life. Since, oh shit. Since I was like, what, how old was I? I was like 30 something. I don't know. But anyway, long time, since 2001. How long ago was that? 2001, 24 years. 24 years ago. Yeah, I was like, I was 35. That's how long I've been staring at these fucking charts. Don't mind me, I'm just going a little crazy. Okay, we got to look at the last thing here, the oil. What did it do today? Yeah, that's a pip snagger. If you want a copy, it's yours for the asking. You just ask for it, and I'll give it to you if you like it. It's quite reliable. It works really well, if you ask me. Anyway, okay. Oil. Oh! Look at this shit. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it was going to go up there. Fucking bastards. See, here's the divergence. That's why I have the 4-hour chart open. Here's the divergence right here, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, you see it? This is 4-hour. And I wanted to do it. It was somewhere in here, and that's when they were just chopping the living shit out of everybody. Right here. And I wanted to buy it, and I didn't. Oh, man. You know how much I'd be up if I would have done that? Because I was planning to hold it. This is the 4-hour. Okay? I was planning to buy it. Yeah, right here. 328 ticks, man. Motherfuckers. Yeah, that's trading for you. You always look at a chart and you go, oh, should I do this? Should I do this trade? You know what I mean? And you don't do it. And you come back and this is what you see. Voila! That's what you see. All right, let's see. See, look at the fucking trend on that bitch. And it did it yesterday too, I think. Let's see. No, they chopped you up yesterday. See this shit? Look at this shit. Hold on. It's not just that day. This day too. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. See how they chopped everybody up and you know, and stuck the hose right up their nose? Yeah, right up their nose, right up their nose, and then the trend begins. You see that? That's manipulation. That's bullshit. I'm telling you, you need a trader team to do this and win. That's what you need. That's what you need. I'll just show you one trade. It's just enough. It's enough. Yeah, I like that. That's the trade. Oh, man. Swing stop was only like 32 ticks. It went up 72 to there. It went up 130 up there. There's no divergence down here. But I'm sure there's a lot of my little, you know, lower close, buy it, up it goes. You see? You see how if you buy close, you know, to the 5, up it goes. Up it goes. You can save yourself so much stress, so much fear of loss, so much anxiety by just following what I just said. Buy the dip, sell the rip. Okay. That's enough for today. I think I went extra long. I'm sorry. Sorry I was late too, but I was busy, you know. So anyway, I want to thank you all for watching and listening and, yeah, and coming out, as I always say, even though you didn't come out. But anyway, trade safe. Good luck and good trading.